Hello everyone, let's learn about the Bandicam tool. This Bandicam tool is used for creation of the videos. Now let's see, when I clicked on the Bandicam icon, this particular window has appeared. Now you have to start from selecting the different options for your Bandicam. Here you have to select four options. First, there are four options. You have to select one out of it. Select a recording area. Means you can select a particular recording area which only will be recorded. Rectangle on a screen. You can select a rectangular area on a screen. The content which is there in that screen will only be recorded. Then you can opt for full screen, means whatever is there on your screen, everything will be recorded. And this is around mouse, means if you select this 320 by 240, only this much area around your mouse will be recorded. Means if you move your mouse, always a circular area around your mouse, that is 320 by 240, will be recorded. So when you are doing any coding tutorials, or you want to focus on some content which you are showing to the uh, viewers, then you can go for around mouse option. Now for creating this video, I am using around mouse content. You can observe here, I have chosen this particular setting. After that, you have to go to the general settings. Okay, in general settings, the output folder has been asked. So this is the path where my videos will get saved. Now if you want to change the folder, then you can select over here a one select folder. It will ask you to select the folder to which the videos will get stored. You can select and this path will get changed. Okay, now if you want to open this output folder, then you can click on open. At the background you can observe my folder where I have saved the path. I have saved path, that is opened. Now you can click on Bandicam window, always on the top. Then start Bandicam minimize to tray, means the icon will be minimized, and you have to start and click on that icon. This icon is in minimum minimized state, so you have to open Bandicam from here. Okay, then this option is run Bandicam on Windows startup. You don't check this particular option, because it will start recording when you start your machine. So it is not, we don't want this, so just don't check it. Then you can go for other settings in advance, like video recording settings. Now general settings are this, which you don't change anything, we already have set this particular thing. Then output folder is also set. Then here file name settings. So here custom prefix or target name, it can be anything. Okay, so custom prefix, if you choose custom prefix, you can write your name or whatever subject you are uh, dealing with, or the subject of the video. Then here you can opt plus, you can add date and time. Otherwise you can add a sequence number. If date and time is added, every time the date and time when you record that video will get added. Otherwise the sequence number like 001 002, that will get added. Okay, so it will help you to identify your video. Also keeping this date and time is good. Then rest of the things are same. Then go for video. Now here these are some important settings. Here some shortcut keys are given, that is record or stop. If you want to start recording, or if you want to stop the recording, you can press F3. Now you can change this setting. Now this is F3, I can change it to F6. You can observe now the setting is F6. Okay, so as per your convenience you can set the keys. Just avoid using the keys like ABCD or number keys, because we usually use them for typing our content. So don't use those keys. Also pause key. So you, when you want to pause, means you are recording a video and you want to pause for some moment, then you can press F4 or whatever is your pause key. Then when you want to resume again, you have to press F4. And for starting the recording and stopping the recording, you have to use this key. Now mine is F3, so I will use F3 for starting the recording and stopping the recording. Then show the mouse cursor, means if you want to show the mouse cursor, you can click it, or you can just keep it off, because if you are simply explaining your slides and you don't want the cursor to be shown, then you can off it. Then add the mouse click effect, means after clicking the area will get colored. So if you want that effect, you can put it. Then if you want a video overlay, like if you want your own for own video captured through the web camera of your laptop or any external camera, then you can click here, add webcam overlay. Okay, now click on settings. Here for screen recording mode, show the countdown timer before recording begins, means when you will start your recording, when you will click on this record button, or when you will click F3, because F3 is my record key, you can observe here countdown will get started. So 3, 2 and 1, then you have to start, because recording gets starts after 1, so it is necessary for us. Then rest of the features are sound, means you have to select the primary sound device. Now I'm using the sound of my web camera, so I have selected the microphone, webcam C270. If you are using microphone from your laptop or some external microphone, you can select it over here. Then webcam, you have to select the webcam. I'm using this webcam, so selected. Then click advanced here, and you have to select the overlay, that which you want, which window you want, means where do you want your video, that will be selected, or if you want it full, you can select this one. Okay, then click on okay. You can also increase the overlay size, and the position. Okay, then mouse, if you want to have a mouse cursor, then you can go for it. If you want to have a mouse cursor, show mouse cursor. If you want to show the mouse cursor, you can click over here. Add the mouse click effect, like when you click the mouse, see this type of effect will be there, a red colored, you can observe. Add the mouse highlight effect, that is a circle with this yellowish circle is appearing. If you want it, where your cursor will move, you will view this circle, so that the viewer will also concentrate on the mouse, or where it will focus on the mouse direction. Then click OK. Also one another thing in setting, logo, you have to put, if you want to put a logo, you can select the logo image from here, and also select the position where you want to put that logo. Also you can put the text. Now for this video I have set Deepali Ghadge, my name, as a text overlay to video, and you can type it here and you can add. Then rest of the options you just keep as it is. Now this is all set for recording. Okay, then you click on the record button, or use get your screen ready for recording, get yourself ready for recording, and then click the shortcut key for minimize this panel, because this panel will be viewed in your video, so we don't want it. So just minimize the tray and use the hotkeys for recording, that is F3 in my case. If I want to pause, I will click F4. If I want to resume, I will again click F4. And if I want to stop the recording, I will click F3, and I will check the output folder where the recording is saved. Okay, so this is how you can create a video using Bandicam. Thanks for now.